Hi, my name's Samuel White with Sam's Window Cleaning Service today, and today I'm cleaning this lovely two-story property in Rockledge, Florida, getting those windows bright and sparkly. And you may be used to your average window cleaner rocking up with a set like this just to clean your glass. This is a squeegee and this is an applicator, but you know what? I'm done with this. So you may be wondering what makes your windows so clean with this system, since it just looks like I'm spraying regular water at your windows. But this is not true. What I've actually done is I've made the purest water you could probably find on the planet. What it's actually called is zero TDS water. This means zero totally dissolved solid. What this means is you will not get a cleaner finish with without this system. Not only that, the longevity of the clean will last upwards of 6 months between cleans until you will need, a sparkle up. So I would suggest that look into this for yourselves. But I have the equipment. I'm ready to go. And I'm happy to assist you with all your cleaning needs.
So if you're interested in hiring a professional window cleaning service, I suggest you give me a call today at 321-213-5751. Thanks again for being the best part of Sam's window cleaning service. Have a wonderful rest of your day and I look forward to seeing you soon.